Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a completely fascinating collision that's happening right now in enterprise IT. On one side, we have these cutting-edge, highly autonomous AI agents, right? They are capable of just incredible speed and logic. But on the other side, we have the foundational, much older infrastructure. The legacy systems that actually keep the lights on and businesses running day in and day out. Understanding the security implications of this specific intersection is absolutely crucial for the future of enterprise architecture. It's going to be a wild ride, so let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. I want you to imagine your own enterprise networks for a second. You probably know them inside and out, but what happens when you take a highly autonomous AI agent and drop it into that super strict, permission-heavy environment? I mean, it's smart, it's designed to do complex work, and it operates almost entirely on its own. It sounds like the absolute perfect productivity boost, doesn't it? But where exactly does it hit a wall? Where does this incredible new technology suddenly just fail to operate safely? Well, that precise friction point is exactly what we're unpacking and solving today.
Section 1. AI meets legacy systems, and the major friction point between them.
So, on one side, we have AI agents. These things are incredibly fast, generative, and fundamentally autonomous. They're designed to string together multiple actions, make on-the-fly decisions, and literally move at the speed of thought. Then, on the other side, we've got your legacy systems. Now, these environments are rigid, deeply established, and fundamentally permission-based. They were built for a totally different era of computing, An era where a human actually logged in with a password, or a static application used a very specific API key. So when these two drastically different forces meet, it is absolutely not a seamless handshake. The AI with all its dynamic speed hits a total brick wall because the legacy system simply doesn't know how to securely classify or talk to something that acts exactly like a human but isn't one.
Section 2. The last mile problem. A critical gap in the architecture.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how experts Anand Vemula and Grant Miller from IBM Technology define this abstract friction. They call it the agentic last-mile identity problem. Think about it like the last mile in package delivery. Getting a package all the way across the country? That's actually pretty easy. But navigating that final, complex neighborhood street to drop it at your specific front door, that is always the hardest, most error-prone part of the whole journey. In AI architecture, this is that critical, agonizing gap. It's the exact moment where AI agents fail to securely interface with legacy systems. The AI knows what to do, it has the generated instructions, but navigating that final, secure step into the rigid environment of legacy security protocols, it's a massive stumbling block.
Section 3. Breaking Zero Trust. This is a very serious security risk.
Grant Miller from IBM Technology lays out the stakes perfectly here. He says, the agentic last-mile identity problem creates serious security risks. Now, why does this matter so profoundly to enterprise IT professionals like us? Well, because this specific gap literally shatters the absolute foundation of modern cybersecurity, the zero trust architecture. Zero trust relies on a very simple philosophy. Never trust, always verify. Every single action must be authenticated. But if your legacy system cannot properly identify, verify, or track an autonomous AI agent trying to execute a task in that last mile, your zero-trust framework is essentially bypassed. The gate is just left wide open for an agent to perform actions it shouldn't, or even worse, for a compromised agent to just wreak havoc inside a trusted environment. And the technology industry is waking up to this fast. To put that into perspective, as of today, May 17, 2026, 7,658 people have already tuned into this exact urgent security warning from IBM Technology's channel. This isn't some distant, theoretical whiteboard problem slated for next year. This is a real-time vulnerability that enterprise architects are actively scrambling to understand and patch right this very second. The race is totally on to secure these deployments before the agents completely outpace our security.
Section 4. Protecting real deployments with real-world safeguards.
So the crucial point is, IBM outlines 3 specific non-negotiable safeguards that we have to implement: identity, context, and delegation. These are the 3 fundamental pillars required to build a secure, verifiable bridge over that dangerous last mile. You can't just rely on one. You need the whole shebang, the complete triad.
And this brilliantly illustrates how fixing this core vulnerability actually works. It means forcing identity, context, and delegation to work together simultaneously in real deployments. First up, identity. The legacy system needs a rock-solid way to establish the identity of the AI agent. It needs cryptographic proof of exactly what software is making the request. Second, it demands context. The system has to understand exactly why the agent is making this specific request at this specific time, and whether that behavior is actually normal. And finally, delegation. We have to ensure the agent only possesses the exact, highly limited permissions delegated to it to complete that one specific task, and absolutely nothing more. When these three elements communicate and verify each other perfectly, boom, zero trust is fully restored. The agentic last mile is no longer a blind spot. It becomes a tightly controlled, fully audited gateway.
Which brings us to the ultimate, pressing question to really chew on today. Is your enterprise architecture actually ready for the AI last mile? Because as businesses universally rush to deploy smarter, faster, and more capable AI agents to boost productivity, we simply cannot afford to leave our legacy front doors wide open. Take a hard, critical look at your own real-world deployments. Ask yourself, does your current Zero Trust framework have the capacity to handle the unprecedented autonomy of AI? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep questioning your infrastructure, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.